Assalamu alaikum everybody, मेरा नाम George Fulton है and this is Anusha Shahzad. Welcome, welcome.
Nice.
We are at Dawlance Get Set Cook. We are here in the wonderful MasterClass kitchen, Pakistan. Today we're going for the ultra healthy chicken tikka. And should we talk through the ingredients? Okay, so we have garam masala
And we have ginger garlic paste,
Urdu mein.
lasan adrak.
Oh, well done, well done.
Okay.
We have haldi powder,
Haldi. That's turmeric.
turmeric, lemon juice, limbu pani,
Nishu ka juice.
limbu ka juice, curry
Karas.
powder, red chili, coriander powder, thoda sa namak, and then this is hung curd. Tikka na?
Okay.
And then we mix it all together, thoda sa tel, and then we do our masala.
Mixing.
We do our mixing,
Yep.
mixing. And voila. Okay. So I'm really looking forward to this series. Because, you know, there's something about the Eid trolley that is just so special. And a bit of tail.
Yep.
Okay. आपका हाथ साफ है?
बिल्कुल साफ है.
बिल्कुल साफ. Let me see. Let me see. Check. Okay.
Okay.
Done. Right. Now.
Shall I make it ulta and then put some?
Oh yeah. Oh,
Yeah?
So the reason we have two here, because I am going to cook it in one way.
And I'm going to cook it in
And
another way.
Yeah, here's going to cook it in another way. She licking. She hasn't told me how she's cooking it. I know
That's
how
a
I'm cooking
surprise.
it. I'm cooking it on the griddle here, but she says she's going to surprise me. But I don't know how she's going to surprise me.
It might just be better than yours.
Come on, you got to get your hands dirty. Come on, you got
let's
to
do
really
this.
get it in there, like, right?
Yeah.
Tikka?
All done? No.
So high heat. Okay. Thoda sa tail. Just a bit of a, you need a bit of tail. Tikka?
Yep.
So what are you gonna do, Anusha?
I'm going to first watch you do it and then I'm going to start doing mine.
Curious. मैं बहुत curious हूँ. Tikka. Okay. Yeah. Yes. So here we go. Let it smoke a little bit. Get the oil nice and hot, and then put it on. Tikka.
While you cook your tikka, George, I'm just going to oil this pan a little bit.
What is that pan?
Just watch. I'm going to grease this. I'm going to spread the oil with this clean brush. My chicken tikka is going to be a little more healthier.
Acha.
Aap dekhen to. Okay, next I'm going to move my chicken tikka and I'm going to onto this tray and अब इसमें थोड़ा सा oil में drizzle करूँगी और बिल्कुल थोड़ा सा.
Can you hear mine sizzling?
Yes.
I'm going to cook mine before you.
No way. I'm going to spread that oil a little bit with my
All
fingers.
the बहुत खूबसूरत, बहुत मजेदार smells.
Finally, you can find out where I'm going to cook my tikka.
So where are you cooking it?
Right here, in the microwave.
No.
Yes. आप देखें
You
तो.
can't, no. Exit, bus. No. You can't cook tikka in the
I will
microwave.
show you and you will like it.
Really?
Yeah? Let's bet.
Okay. Cool.
Okay.
Put it in the microwave.
So, I'm
This
gonna.
is the traditional way of cooking
Yes.
tikka.
So I'm gonna transfer the
And
tikka,
presumably bahut aasan. है ना?
the grill counter. And since my chicken tikka was 500 grams, I'm gonna change the weight to 500 grams. And all I have to do is press start. While my chicken tikka cooks, and you can watch it.
So अभी छुट्टी आपके लिए.
अब पक जाएगा तो निकाल के खा लूँगी.
So I
आप भी खा
I
लो.
gotta cook this and you're doing that.
You gotta watch it, you gotta turn it.
I don't know.
I know, life's unfair, right?
Life is unfair. Come on. Right. Okay, so that is my chicken tikka. I'm not sure.
It looks like a very sad chicken tikka.
ये थोड़ा सा बीमार है. I think, yes, I'm not going to eat my chicken tikka.
Neither am I. I
I'm
cannot
going to
try
wait
that.
for आपका chicken tikka.
मेरा chicken tikka I think तैयार है.
ठीक है.
बस मैं निकालती हूँ.
Okay.
Look at
Oh, wow.
that. The meat looks moist.
It looks succulent.
Yeah.
So shall I put it on here?
Yeah. You want? It's gonna be really hot.
Oh, look at that.
It's so fresh.
Let's grab a knife and fork.
Yeah.
Here goes. I can't believe I'm eating a chicken tikka cooked in the microwave. Here it goes.
Yeah. Let's turn that around. Completely cooked.
Oh, the heat is coming through. The heat, not the spices heat. Garam. Garam, garam. Thank you. That is amazing. Now, do you want to try mine?
Okay.
Sure.
No.
Sure?
Yep.
Sure? Okay. Well, everybody, that's all we have time for. But stay tuned, because we have more Eid trolley dishes coming soon. And we've just had a very healthy one this time. We're going to do another healthy one next time with a not so healthy side dish.
वो चलता है.
And we're also going to be doing some meater Eid dishes in the coming weeks. So stay tuned and we'll see you next time. Bye.
खुदा हाफिज़.